It's a weather impact day. We've been watching those temperatures, Zane. It can be dangerous outside later today.
If you're not prepared, if you spend too much time outside, you get dehydrated, all that stuff, you can end up with some heat problems there, Nicole. But as long as you take it seriously, then you should be just fine. Heat will be the big story later today. We do have a couple of thunderstorms that you can see the tops of from our West Des Moines camera. The sun glitting off some of those tall clouds about 50-60 miles straight off to the east there. There's the temperature, 80 degrees here at 6:15 early this morning. That's kind of a rough place to be this early in the day. There's those storms off in the distance. So there's our camera over in the metro right here. And then there's your nearest storms north and east of Oskaloosa, just to the south of Montezuma, and then kind of a broken line of thunder showers stretches through parts of southeastern Iowa. Jefferson and Van Buren counties, Fairfield and Keosauqua, you're going to be getting wet here before too long. All this non-severe, though, that's being driven by a belt of stronger winds aloft here that stretches into southern Iowa. And then we've got some overnight storms that are dying off coming out of South Dakota into northwest Iowa. There is still officially a severe thunderstorm watch, though, in that pink box until 8 o'clock this morning. And then this other complex of storms continues to move through parts of eastern Iowa, from Waterloo and Cedar Falls down towards Cedar Rapids and approaching the Quad Cities along the Mississippi River Valley. Now, notice the hour-by-hour modeling is not doing great at picking up on any of that. So what's most likely is that these storms southeast Iowa, they die here in the next hour or two. The storms up in northwest Iowa, they're already dying, so they're probably just going to push a few high-level clouds in. Maybe that dense are warming just a bit, but that's about it. Otherwise, we're going to have sunny skies and really hot air in place here through today. Tonight will be mainly dry, although there will be some storms that form again up on the edge of this heat dome up towards the northern plains. Some of those will move into Minnesota and maybe clip parts of northern Iowa about 24 hours from now in the northern part of the state. And then we'll watch a front sag into Iowa during the day tomorrow on Monday. It's going to shift our wind direction around and provide the possibility, at least, of a couple of stronger storms in that level 2 risk area, parts of eastern and northeastern Iowa. That's where temperatures aloft will be a little bit cooler, which gives a better chance for storms to actually form. Otherwise, it's just a thick blanket of heat that prevents storms from forming. Generally along that boundary, eastern half of the state, Monday afternoon and especially into Monday night. So that's your storm timeline. Chance of in the northern Iowa late tonight, better chance Monday afternoon, eastern Iowa. Everybody's going to be hot, though, today. 100 to 105 on that heat index this afternoon. Tomorrow, a lot of us will be in the same territory, but I mentioned that front sagging in from the north. Maybe if you're north of, let's say, Highway 30, you might not quite get into those triple digits again. You feel like 90s, but to the south, especially 100 to 110 tomorrow afternoon. The 8-day forecast then gets us into better territory by the second half of the week. We drop out of the 90s into the 80s Tuesday, and we should stay in the lower 80s actually. Later this week, that's actually a little bit cooler than normal, and our skies are mostly dry too after Monday night.